Hello, this is Sandeep Singh, Assistant Professor in BBD University, teaching SHM department, taking care of food production subject. So, in this video, we are going to understand about the breakfast, which is a part of Unit First, menu planning. We need to cover this point, breakfast. So, we start. So in this unit we are able to understand what is breakfast and different types of breakfast which is served in all around the world, and what they consist of, and how they are available in the market, or how we are going to prepare all these items. So let's start with this breakfast. First, we all to know the definition of this breakfast. So here come the definition of breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. The word came about because it means breaking the fast after one has not eaten, fasted since the night before. Breakfast word means the first meal of the day. And why the word is used break fast, because after doing the dinner or the last meal of the day, the people take a long break from the eating, and in the morning when they have eat something, they break the fast, or that's why this is known as breakfast. Because in whole day, during the whole day, we eat anything, or we have different types of meals available throughout the day, and people do eat something after some particular times, some particular gap of time. So but after the dinner, or you can say after the last meal of the day, and people wake up in the morning or to the next day, there is a long break which generally does not occur during the daytime or during the working hours of the working hours of the people, or so this that's why the breakfast word derives, because it is break the fast which was done by a person after taking the last meal, and when he takes the first meal of a day when he starts. So this is what the definition of the breakfast. Now coming the types of breakfast or category of the breakfast available in the hotel industry or hospitality industry is following the different types of breakfast. First is international breakfast, which is known all around the world, and second we considered is Indian breakfast. Indian breakfast is having its own specialty, because India is also a very big country. So and every place has its own uniqueness of doing the breakfast. They follow different types of pattern, or different types of meal, or different types of food during the breakfast. So India have its own huge culture of food, and every part of India have its own tradition of doing the morning breakfast. So now we start with the first, international breakfast. The international breakfast, we have some word which is very common in the hotels, and when the hotels make their room available to the customer, they make a plan of meal available with the each rooms, and they make a package of that meal as well as the room charges. So they generally use these terms, and you can say these are the terms which was particularly used by the hotel industry to define what types of food going to be served in this particular types of breakfast, which is depend upon the regional specialty and the tradition and culture followed by the particular region. Here come the first one is continental breakfast. Then we have a Britain or continental breakfast. Then we have Britain breakfast, you can send. Then we have France. This continental breakfast consists of British style, French style, and Italian style. So first we considered with the continent, what is continental breakfast, what they are going to serve in this continental breakfast. Continental breakfast is basically considered of uh, these particular items. Let we have a start with the definition of the continental breakfast. Continental breakfast is an institutional meal plan based on lighter Mediterranean breakfast tradition. It is a light meal meant to satisfy one until lunch. A typical continental breakfast consists of coffee and milk, often mixed as cappuccino, or a latte or a hot chocolate with a variety of sweet cakes such as brioche and pastries such as croissant, often with a sweet jam, cream or chocolates filling. It is often served with the juice. Now, this is what we generally serve in the continental breakfast, and the continental breakfast is also considered as an institutional meal, small in the number of items to be served, and very light in the light in the heaviness of the food, means very light items is used, and after the having this, people does not feel that their stomach and their desire to main course will be finished out in the lunch. So generally the items which they serve, either they serve the coffee or a hot chocolate milks, and with the some sweets, cakes and pastries, often with some sweets bread with jams, or some juices are served. Now coming with the British breakfast, or the British people do prefer to have all these items in their breakfast, also known as full breakfast. Traditionally, people in Britain and Ireland have enjoyed a substantial hot meals for breakfast, featuring eggs, bacon, sausage, accompanied by toast, teas, or coffee. These items are sometimes eaten separately or on morning rolls. Many other items, for example, get grease, grilled or fried tomatoes, black puddings or white puddings, baked beans, fried slices, bread, various types of fried potatoes, mushrooms. These all considered in the British breakfast. Now coming with the French breakfast, what they serve in their first meal. In the French, typical domestic breakfast will consist of a cup of coffee, often cafe or latte, or hot chocolate, often drunk from bowls. Especially for hot chocolate, the main food consists of terrines, slice of buckets. Buckets is their bread preparation. Terrines are their fruit preparations. Tartarines are also types of jam preparation they have. Baguettes bread with jam, sometimes dunked, as well as brioche and other breads. Croissants are also a tradition, as are other similar pastries such as pins of chocolate and pins of raisins. Foods like breakfast cereals, fruit compote, fromage means cheese, fromage blanc and yogurt, becoming increasingly common as a part of the French breakfast. Now we will see the Italy peoples, what they prefer in their breakfast are. The traditional breakfast in Italy is simply cafe latte or hot coffee with milk, with breads or rolls, butters and jam, known as prima colazonia or just calazonia. Feta biscotti are cookies like hard bread, often eaten with Nutella, and biscottis are common eaten. Children drink hot chocolate, plain milk, or hot milk with very little coffee. If breakfast is eaten in a bar, coffee shop, it is composed of cappuccino, a brioche, frothed hot milk with coffee, and a pastry. It is very common for the Italians to have a quick breakfast snacks during the morning, typically a panina or a bread roll. Now coming with the Indian breakfast, as we I told you, every regional specialty or region has its own specialty in the Indian breakfast. We need to consider what they serve during these breakfast in India. Bengals, the breakfast items may include luchi. Luchi is a refined flour puri, or kachoris. Kachori stuffed luchis, puffed rice crisped with milk, jaggery and fruits. The luchi kachori are served with the vegetables curry or something shallow fried. Semi fermented rice having mild pungent flavors is also eaten sometimes with the dal and chilies. South Indian breakfast, what they prefer to have in South India. Most in South India, the most popular breakfast is an assortment with several possible main dishes such as idlis, vadas, dosas, salty pongals, and chapatis. These are the most often served with the hot sambar, and at least one kinds of chutney are the common items in Tamil Nadu. In South India, we have Kerala. Kerala, again, they have a lots of rice preparation, but their preparation is a bit different from the people in Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Like in Kerala, traditional breakfast are parathal includes puttu. Puttu again is a rice preparation eaten with kada, black chana, curry or ripe bananas. These they eat in the breakfast. Don't think that the rice preparations are only eaten during their lunch or dinner time. They have developed such a things that such a way varieties of items or preparations from the rice and dal, so they can have in the breakfast, and they are very light. They does not make your stomach feel very heavy when you eat all these things. So these are the things which they eat in the morning breakfast. When it comes to the North India, the in North India definitely the stuffed breads or stuffed paratha, we can say oily paratha, we can say that aloo paratha, onion paratha. There is a lots of variety of parathas with a cup of a bowl of curd, flavored curd or normal curd. Then when you go to the different parts of our region, you will find they have a puri kachoris. In the morning breakfast they have dahi jalebi they have in the morning time. So these are the some Indian popular breakfast which is easily available now due to the lifestyle or life cycles. People want to have a breakfast which also help or work as their meal. So they have a rajma chawal or chole bhature in the morning. And if you go to the Maharashtra, their favorite or the common breakfast item or a snacks item which is available during whole the day is vada pav. They put potatoes, and they make a deep fried potatoes pakoras, and they put in the buns, and they have it, which is easily available, or you can say it can be easily carried out, and they can have it anywhere. As we all know that the Mumbai is having a problem of space, so that's why they have it. They can have this breakfast, space or time. People run for the time, they are not for the money. That in other parts of the India, people run for the money, but in Bombay, it is economical capital of India. So people run for the time. They have lots of source of income, but their time is very they have very less time. So their breakfast is such items they can have while walking or going to the local train. Like Gujarati people, they are fond of various food items. They people used to know that they enjoy the food, and they have various things like dhokla, kaman dhokla, bakadwadi or malpuris. These are the common items which they used to have during the tea times, or during the breakfast. And definitely milk is a very common thing all around the part of uh, part of India where the people have. And against, we all know that the national drink of India is tea. So you will find the tea over the coffee. People do prefer to have tea all the time, in the breakfast, in the evening tea. So tea is very much common part of the Indian breakfast items. Now we will see uh, the pattern or the items to be served in a particular slides. Like in continental breakfast, they have a choice of fresh or canned juice or fresh fruit platters, oven fresh breakfast roll, toast brown breads with preservers and butters. Preservers means jam. And then tea, that can be a black or coffee. Like coming with the American breakfast, what they prefer to have. American breakfast is also known as a complete meal or complete breakfast. They have various things to be served, like choice of fresh or canned fruit juices, fresh fruit platters, choice of cereals with hot milk or cold milk or yogurt, choice of egg preparations, boiled, poached, fried omelets with bacon and sausages, choice of roll or toast served with preserves and butters, tea and coffee. This is what American do. They do have. Their breakfast is very lavish, and their breakfasts are very having a good choice. Now coming with the English breakfast. English breakfast is choice of bread, canned fruit juices, fresh fruit platters, a choice of cereal with hot milk or yogurt, boiled, poached, fried omelets with bacon and sausages, choice of rolls with served with preserved and butter, grilled or poached fishes are also served, in traditional American English breakfast, but nowadays they are not to be served. And there is a difference between English breakfast and American breakfast is in the American breakfast they are having a desserts option also, but their dessert options also come in the forms of bread. Now power breakfast is the breakfast which is generally used by the people who do morning walks and exercises and the gym. So they have a different patterns of breakfast to get the energy boosters, or they can have a protein or a fat in such a combination so that they can do the heavy exercises in this. This is what the power breakfast consists of. We must know one thing also, which is a very common word in in today's hospitality industry services: a brunch. A brunch or bruncheon is a combination of breakfast and lunch. Means in the hotel industry, on every Sunday, many of the hotels start with the brunch, or there is a common trend of brunch because people are so busy that they are not able to enjoy their breakfast or their lunch. Sometimes one of the meal they need to miss or they will miss. So that's why hospitality industry is following a tradition of serving a brunch in one of their outlet. And the brunch is, the timing starts for the brunch is near about 8 in the morning, or you can say 7 in the morning, and it will finish it out by 3 p.m. or by 3:30 p.m. in the afternoon. And this brunch consists of the breakfast item as well as the main course item. We can have a definition of brunches also. Brunch or bruncheon is a combination of breakfast and lunch. The terms is a combination of breakfast and lunch. Brunch is often served after a morning event or prior to an afternoon one, such as wedding or sporting events. A common misconception is that after midday the meal is a luncheon. This is, however, is not true. So long as a breakfast has not been eaten. A possible origin of having Sunday brunch in Victorian England came from giving the servants Sunday as their day off. The servants then early Sunday morning would set out a buffet of cold items that would be self-service for the rest of the house. So this is what the definition of the brunch. A brunch to be considered from the morning breakfast timing to the evening to the lunch timing, so that people, if something if they are able to miss something, or they are not able to have, or some days they are not able to have a lunch, or sometimes they are not able to have a breakfast on, generally on the off days or a Sunday, the hotels make a brunch menu that includes the breakfast item as well as some main course preparations, so that the people can enjoy both the things. This is what brunch. As we have already done the definition of breakfast, still once again we repeat this: what the breakfast means, and what other points we considered in the breakfast, and the meal preparation, and the different types of service gears which we need for different types of breakfast. So we also come to know the setups which we required for the breakfast. Like again we are doing the definition of the breakfast. Breakfast literally means breakfast, that is meal eaten after 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Breakfast is the combination of two words, break and fast. That is breaking of a fast after a long break, which we have already discussed in the definition part. The French term for the breakfast is petit déjeuner, which means the little lunch. The word for the breakfast in the French is petit déjeuner, which means the little lunch. Dietitian call it is the most important meal of the day, because we are going to start our day with this. So here our internal organs are not ready to have a very heavy items while we do it in the morning breakfast. So we need to consider that point also. We have already discussed the types of breakfast, that is continental breakfast, American breakfast, English breakfast, and Indian breakfast. Now, once again, we will see what the American breakfast they have. The full or English breakfast is a more elaborate means and required more preparation in the dining rooms before the service than the other meals. A full breakfast is a breakfast a meal that typically focus on meat items with the beverages such as coffee or tea, which was served only in the English breakfast. We have now that's continental breakfast is now also known as European breakfast, and they have also a plan of modified European plan or modified American plan. It all has done on the requirement of the hospitality industry according to the pricing issues. They have done all these changes, so that will that these modified American plan or modified European plan, you will study deeply in the service as well as something in the front office part also. Here we are going to consider the basic original of the breakfast and their items to be served, their preparations and their service gear which was needed when we do the different types of breakfast. Like English breakfast, the choice of fresh foods which we have already discussed, the choice of fresh fruit juices, orange, pineapple, tomato, cut fruits, grapefruits, melon, papaya, pears, banana, stew fruits, plum, apple, fig, prunes, choice of cereals, fish, eggs, preparation, fried, boiled, scrambled, poached, plain, savory omelets, meat. Then we have bacon, sausages, salami, etc., fried or grilled. Choice of assorted breads, toast, brioche, croissant, rolls, brown bread, served with the butters and preserves, honey, jam, marmalades, beverages, tea, coffee, hot chocolates, milk, and Horlicks, etc. English breakfast is a complete breakfast because it's considered the fish and the meat part also with the again the with the egg preparations. What types of service gears, or you can say uh, spoon forks which we need while serving English breakfast are here: joint knife and fork, juice glasses, underliner, teaspoons, fish knife and fork, dessert spoon and fork, side plates, B&B knives, a napkin, bread boards, toast racks, butter dish on a dolly on a side plate with a butter knife, preserved dish on a dolly on a side plate with a preserved spoon, breakfast cup and saucer and a teaspoon, sugar basins and tongs, slope basin tea strainers, cereal bowls and dolly on a under plate, jug of cold milk, salt and pepper cruets, ashtray, a standard or under plates for a pot or a hot milk water jugs. This we required while serving the English breakfast. Now coming with the American breakfast, the items we have already read it out what they are going to serve. There is the only difference that they don't serve the fish part which was served in the English breakfast. American, they don't serve the fish in the as a breakfast part. So what they need: joint knife and fork, dessert spoon and fork, side plates, B&B knives, napkin, breadboard, toast rack, butter dish on a dolly on a side plate with a butter knife, preserved dish on a dolly on a side plate with a preserved spoon, breakfast cup and saucer and a teaspoon, sugar basin and tongs, slope basin tea strainers, cereal bowls on a dolly on and under plates, jug of cold milk, salt and pepper cruets, and ashtrays. Now coming with the continental breakfast, a traditional continental breakfast consists simply of hot croissant, brioche, toast, butter, and preserves and coffee and as the beverages. The smallest is the continental breakfast. The choice of fresh fruit juice, choice of assorted bread, toast, croissant, rolls, broche, muffins, etc. Served with the jam, marmalades, and honey. Beverages, tea, coffee, and chocolates. What they need: juice glass, underliner teaspoons, side plates, B&B knives, napkins, breadboard, butter dish on a dolly on a side plate with a butter knife, preserve dish on a dolly on a side plate with a preserve spoon, breakfast cup and saucer and a teaspoon, sugar basin and tongs, slope basin tea strainers, jug of cold milk, ashtray, stands or under plates for a pot or a hot milk water jugs. This is what they need. Now coming with the Indian breakfast, we have already discussed North Indian breakfast, South Indian breakfast. Usually in the North India, lassi, and in the South India, the coconut water as the drink they have in the morning breakfast along with the tea, which I already told you that tea is a national drink, which do considered while in the menu planning of for the breakfast meal in any part of the India. Second courses are compromise of dish like chola bhatura, puri bhaji, paratha in case of North Indian breakfast. Second course is the South Indian breakfast comprise of dosa, utpam, mendu vada, idli, sambar, chutney, poha, sabudana ki khichdi, tea, coffee, hot chocolates, proprietary malt drinks, Bonvita, Horlicks, Milo. These are the things which we served in the Indian breakfast. Now coming with the buffet breakfast, when a hotel have a group of peoples who have entered, so they developed a buffet breakfast, or for the rooms also, it is not possible for them to give a la carte buffet. So a la carte breakfast in the morning. So what they do a buffet breakfast, which consists of both the things. It consists of things which to be served in the chef and dishes, as well as some live preparations of breads, toast, omelets, some other preparations of bacon, sausages, which was done in during the live session of the breakfast. So buffet breakfast is a common trend in our Indian hotel industry. It is often the service of breakfast which is given by the hotels during the breakfast. This trend has been started in the Indian industry during the group check-ins, and preferably with the preferences of guests for taking breakfast in the hotels, with various plans offered by the front desk. The breakfast, as I already told you, this is for the group of people checked in. So according to their choice, they make the various items available in their morning breakfast, so their team can come and enjoy the breakfast. So this is done with the help, again, I told you this is the marketing strategy and tool for the front office department, or the sales and sales and marketing team. They say sold their rooms with attaching that we are going to provide the steps of breakfast meal. You have a choice of this. If you want to change something, you can tell us. So they combine the room charges with the breakfast, so for the guests it will become easier to decide their rooms and the property, because breakfast charges normally included in the room charges, and it is on a very nominal charges. Sometimes some hotels provide it as a complimentary too also. So this is what the buffet breakfast, or again, this told that this is the trend, especially started by the Indian hotel industries. Now coming with the breakfast door no menu. There is a menu which is hanged on the doors of the customers, so that in the morning they can take it and order according to the breakfast items available in the room service, and they can have it their breakfast in their rooms. The breakfast door knob menu is a convenient way to order your breakfast in advance. A door hanger is an plastic or a cardboard sign, generally rectangular in shape, cut to hang from the handle or knob of the door card. In the last service of the hour, when when waiters or room servers go, they collect it, and in the morning they generally serve the items ticked by the customers what they want in the morning. So now we consider with some common terminologies used in the hotel industry during the breakfast items. So that was cafe simple, continental breakfast in which only coffee is served; the simple continental breakfast in which only tea is served; cafe complete, continental breakfast in which coffee is served along with the rolls; the complete continental breakfast in which tea is served with the along with all the rolls. Animales, testicles of animal used for meat, especially those of the ram, the lamb, and the bull calves. Are broth, smokies, haddocks, which are gutted and then slitted into two halves, followed by the smoking. Again, haddock is a fish preparation. Bagels, bread preparation, a small Javish roll in the whole, served with the lox, pickled salmon, and a cream cheese. Bagels, bath caps, cheeks of porks. Brisher muesli, a Swiss preparation made with rolled oats, raisin, lemon juice, grated apples, chopped fresh fruits, and topped with the vanilla yogurt. Brioche, a soft loaf or a roll made from a yeast dough enriched with the butter and egg. Blotters, good quality herrings. Herrings again a fish, which are dry salted and then washed to remove the excess salt, followed by smoking before they being splitted. Compote, a preparation of fresh or dried fruits cooked either whole or in a pieces in a sugar syrup. It does not keep for as long as jam. Croissant, crescent shape roll generally made with a leavened dough, may be stuffed with chocolate, dry fruits, etc. English muffin in Great Britain, a tradition light textured roll, round and flat, which is made with yeast dough. Flakes made with whole grain or pieces mixed with sugar, malt, salt, and water. It is cooked, tampered, flattened, and roasted. Granola, rolled oats with water, vegetable oil, sweetener, nuts, dry fruits, etc. The dough is rolled out and toasted until moisture is decreased to 3%. It is baked and broken into bed sizes, piece for packing. So these are the some common terms or some common preparation which was used in the breakfast. These are the some common items which was generally prepared in the during the breakfast, like mostly a sweet dish originally consists of apples, oats, milk, and nuts. Muffins, American muffins are more likely cake than bread. Leavening agent is baking powder. Nuts and chocolate chips may be used. So these are the some common ingredients. Their preparation, like egg is very much common. Then in the egg we have various type of preparation like poached egg, scrambled egg, uh, we have bullseye preparations. So in boiled egg we have also various types of options available, and people do ask. So these are the dish items which was generally mm, served in the breakfast.